ऑन लोकेशंस अगर कुछ ऐसा वाकया हुआ जो आप शेयर करना चाहें, क्योंकि काफ़ी अरसे बाद आप सूरज जी के साथ काम कर रहे थे.
The most beautiful thing in this movie was Suraj Babu used to come and wake me up in the morning. Get up, have your breakfast. This is the scene. There's one Prem, there's one Vijay, there's one Maithili. यहाँ से शुरू होता था. This is one. Second one, third scene. These three we're not doing today. This is the one, fourth one we are doing today. So that is how you will see me so much in character throughout the film, because every day Sonam, me, everyone had Suraj's personal attention. Even the small actors, the junior artists, they were all explained each and every scene. From the DOP to the action director to the song directors, even if they come in for one song, he has narrated the whole subject to them. So now when Suraj narrates, he doesn't look at anything. Right from Maine Pyar Kiya, he knows the whole script by heart, from the titles to the songs. He will sing the songs to you with the lyrics. He will describe in the songs कि इस टाइप के मूवमेंट होने वाले हैं, ये montages आएंगे, ये BGM होगा, this is the interval point, this is, and the action also he'll explain to you कि इस action के behind क्या है. With every scene will come कि Salman bhai, with my father, one day my son Avnish, one day Vinita my wife, one day my mother. So there is everything that is somewhere related to the family. He has always worked कि मेरे घर में ये हुआ है, मेरे आंट के घर में ये मैंने देखा है, ये मैंने सुना है, so it all comes through real life. That is the most beautiful quality about any of Suraj's films. इसमें कोई आप देखोगे तो इसमें कोई ऐसे कुछ scenes आपको नहीं दिखाई देंगे. आपको ह्यूमर दिखाई देगा, आपको रोमांस दिखाई देगा, लेकिन आप ये पिन पॉइंट नहीं करके बोलोगे कि वाह क्या सीन है. बट देन व्हेन द इमोशन टेक्स ओवर, यू विल नॉट इवन रियलाइज कि ये खुशी के आंसू हमारे आंख में आ कैसे गए. हम तो बहुत एक साधारण सी जस्ट अ सिंपल लव स्टोरी देख रहे हैं हम. ना इसमें कोई स्मूचिंग है, ना इसमें कोई एक्सपोजर है, कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट गर्ल बॉय, इट्स जस्ट फैमिली. एंड सडनली यू गेट ड्रॉन इनटू दिस. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द रेफरेंसेस फ्रॉम रियल लाइफ, दैट प्योरनेस ऑफ द हार्ट, the simplicity. हम सब complicated होते जाते हैं as we grow. This is one man who is getting simpler and simpler and simpler. जितना जितना दिमाग आता है हमको, हम complicate करते हैं. दिमाग इसलिए दिया गया है कि complications को solve करो. हम लोग उल्टा ही कर रहे हैं. हम लोग simple life को complicated कर रहे हैं. He's got it very correct. He's complicated life को हम simple कर रहे हैं. So when you see his films, you just देखते just get into it. And that is the reason why you see most of the kids, the youth, they love it because they relate to it. There's a very childlike quality in the films that we've done together. In fact, all his films. And then it touches you. That at that age of, your parents, your brother, your sister, बाद में जाके problem शुरू हो जाते हैं. But that early age, that is tapped by him.